Alright, here we go with a Let's Go TV production. So just went ahead and mounted this on here. As you can see right here, is that right there. So there's another screw that's on the opposing side, and then you just snap it up in place, just like that. And then that's turn it on and off. That's for your lights right there. As you can see, the light right there. So you can change it to automatic. And then as you can see, it goes off on. Just like that. If y'all like this, plus many more installs, we got it all. Just give us a call. 682-239-1470. Remember, I am the plug. You are the man. Well, Let's Go TV. Don't forget, I also got installed too. Let's get it. Let's go. Don't believe me? Well, just watch. 682-239-1470. Let's go.